I get asked often, well, how does the Morrigan fit into that? You're a blacksmith, you're doing this, shouldn't you kind of, be looking at, working with, Govnu or, Bridget or, some others. And, I thought, oh, that's a really good question. And I looked at the etymology of the Morrigan's parentage, and I found it very interesting. If you look at Artemis, according to, to DIL, which is a dictionary of Irish language, Artemis actually means death by iron, specifically, sword, spear, that kind of thing. So I thought that was kind of interesting. And then if you look at Delbeth, which is her father, you're looking at form shaped or conjured by magic. And I've actually also heard it used as fire shaper or shaped by fire. So to me, that just screams blacksmithing. Okay, and that's just kind of how I look at it. So that's kind of my point of view with it.